The last command available in the Zero document environment is Property Manager. The Property Manager is used to define rules for populating properties for specific categories within the parts you create. First, you need to select the module type to which the properties should be applied. You can choose either assembly or a part. If you select assembly, you can then choose the element type from the list. Available options are furniture product, a furniture component, panel, or an individual element. In the property set name list, there are 4 categories of standard properties provided by Inventor. Within user-defined properties, the user can add new properties, while in the other categories, properties can only be modified. Properties are added using the Add button. Pay close attention to where you add them. Each category selectable from the module type and element type lists can have its own set of user-defined properties. If we select part from the module type list, the element type list will display the elements that were previously defined in the DB Manager. For our example, we select the chipboard element. Select User-Defined Properties. Currently, the property name list is empty. To add a new property, first enter its name in the New Name field. We want to create a property called Width. When we click the Add button, the Width property is added to the property name list. We then add another property by entering Length in the Name field and clicking the Add button. If you want to rename an existing property, select it from the list. Enter another name in the New Name field. And then click Update. The change is immediately visible in the property name list, and the updated name is also shown on the right side of the screen. On the right side, you will find the property calculator. This is where the expression used to generate the property value is created. What can this expression contain? The property expression can include text, predefined parameters related to the selected element, also, it can contain a property from the property name list, or an attribute. Attributes are predefined and provided with the add-in. Currently, the list of available attributes for the chipboard element is displayed. Once we have created the expression, we need to click the Add button. The expression is then displayed in the Property Expression field. This expression will be used when generating the value for the height property. Before clicking the Save button, it is very important to first click the Update button, as this assigns the expression to the selected property. Now you can click Save to store the changes on your disk.